Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to use breeding farm in Palworld. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now the first thing you will need is to get into level 19 in order to be able to make this thing right here, which is called the breeding farm. It needs some simple material, and after making this farm you should put the male and female pal inside it, then let them to complete the process of breeding. As you can see here, it's loading, and before it finish its loading you should put another ingredient. You should put a cake, and to make a cake it's slightly complicated, so that's why I have made a previous video before on the same YouTube channel that you can check to see exactly what you need to get or make the cake. But in brief, you will need some flour, red berries, milk, egg and honey. And for details on how to get these ingredients, go check the video that we have made. And after making the cake, you should introduce it in the box beside the breeding farm to complete the breeding process. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.